Welcome everyone. Question on the solid state. A metal crystallizes in a simple cubic lattice with A is equal to 1.40 angstrom. So the value of the D100 is, choices are 1. 0.71 angstrom, 2. 0.99 angstrom, 3. 1.40 angstrom, 4. 1.62 angstrom. Answer is 3. 1.40 angstrom. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given A is equal to 1.40 angstrom. We know that for the simple cubic lattice D100 is equal to A. Therefore, D100 is equal to 1.40 angstrom. Thank you for watching this video.